Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to create a presentation on Prezi. Just so you know, this would be a great tool to use for your timelines that you have to create for class. So when you log into Prezi, you first need to click on Prezi Present, which is on the left hand side here. Once you click on that, you'll have these three options: create from template, start from scratch, and convert a PowerPoint. For today, I will create a template. As you can see here, you have many different templates to choose from. Just pick one that works best for your project. Alright, I'm going to pick this one. Click on Use this template. Make sure you title your presentation. Alright, let that load. Alright, once you're in, if you look on the left hand side here and click this little arrow, you have two choices: planets and topics. Planets are just like these little circles where they create different topics that surround a main topic here. Now stacks, that is what you would use if you want a more linear presentation, similar to PowerPoint presentations. Alright, if you look up at the top here, you can click on text and that'll just give you a text box, or you can even highlight and get these text options here where you can get a different font. You can increase or decrease the size of the font, bold, italicize, text colors. Now media, this allows you to add an image, video, GIF, sticker, icon, audio, chart, PowerPoint, or PDF. A story block. Here you can use a little bit more fun subtopics. So as you saw, I clicked on timeline, and it can even create a timeline for you. Now let's go back. We can go into a topic here. Here you can edit your topics, add a blurb, you can add this picture here, and these are subtopics, which you can zoom in and out of. Alright, before I end this presentation, you can also choose the zooming animations that you want. As you saw from before, these lines show exactly where your presentation will go. So we'll start here and zoom into each one next. Alright, I hope that gives you a good overview of how to create a quick little Prezi presentation. Make sure to get creative and have fun.